In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the shipping method in WooCommerce. This tutorial is perfect for those of you who need a clean, efficient way to manage shipping options on your WooCommerce store. Maybe you want to streamline your checkout process or eliminate certain methods that aren't applicable for your current promotion or customer group. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through each step with clarity and ease. So let's dive right in. To start off, we'll need to navigate to the WooCommerce settings. From your WordPress dashboard, look on the left-hand side of the screen where the WooCommerce menu is located. Hover or click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings from this menu. This section is essentially the command center for your WooCommerce store, where you can customize everything from payments to, you guessed it, shipping. Once you're in the WooCommerce settings, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Shipping tab. This is where all of your shipping options reside, and you'll find that managing these settings is pivotal to providing a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Within the Shipping tab, you're going to see different areas called shipping zones. These zones are essentially groups of locations for which you've set up specific shipping methods. Click on the shipping zone that you want to modify. It might be labeled something like domestic or international depending on how you've organized your store's shipping structure. Now that you're inside the shipping zone, you can see all the methods of shipping that are currently offered to customers within that zone. This could include options like flat rate, free shipping, or even local pickup. To hide a shipping method, look for the method you need to alter. Let's say, in this scenario, you want to disable a flat rate method. Click on Edit next to the option. In the editing section, you'll find an option to disable the method. This toggle is what you're looking for to make the shipping option invisible to your customers. Make sure to switch it to Disable to effectively hide the method. After making this change, don't forget to save your settings. There will be a Save button typically at the bottom of the page, which will ensure your adjustments are locked in. And just like that, you've successfully hidden a shipping method in WooCommerce. Remember, if you need to bring the method back in the future, you can simply follow these steps in reverse. Managing shipping options is a vital part of running your online store smoothly, and now you know how to easily adjust them to meet your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.